This is the National Meteorology Service radio broadcasting channel. Next up, coverage on the latest potential storm of the century, but first your local weather forecast.
Devastating damage expected. Hurricane Turtle is now observed to have unprecedented strength, which rivals the intensity of Hurricane Albatross in 5040. Most of the area to be impacted by Hurricane Turtle will be uninhabitable for weeks, perhaps longer. At least one half of well-constructed homes on the surface will have roof and wall failure. All gabled roofs will fail, leaving those homes severely damaged or destroyed. The majority of industrial buildings will become non-functional. Partial to complete wall failure is expected. All wood-framed low-rising apartment buildings will be destroyed. Concrete blocked low-rising apartment buildings will sustain major damage, including some wall and roof failure. High-rise apartment and office buildings will sway dangerously, a few to the point of complete collapse. All windows will blow out. Airborne debris will be widespread and may include heavy items such as household appliances and light vehicles. Sport and utility vehicles will be moved. The blown debris will create additional destruction. Dragons, pets, and livestock will face certain death if struck. Power outages will last for weeks as most power lines and transformers will be destroyed. Clean water shortages will make living conditions unlivable by modern standards. The vast majority of native trees will be snapped or uprooted. Only the hardiest will remain standing but be completely defoliated. Few crops will remain. Livestock left exposed to the winds will be killed. An inland hurricane warning is issued when sustained winds of hurricane force or frequent gusts at or near hurricane force are certain within 24 hours. Once tropical storm or hurricane force winds onset, do not venture outside. Hurricane Turtle was last observed 20 minutes ago, around 100 units off of the coast of Capitol Island, and had sustained winds of 250 units per hour, and gusts of 260 units per hour. An extreme wind warning has been issued by the National Meteorology Service until 11 p.m. Seawings Standard Time for the following locations: Capitol Island, Port Shell, Seaweed Island, and Submarine Island. At 9:10 p.m. Seawings Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated extreme winds associated with the eye wall of Hurricane Turtle moving on shore. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Widespread destructive winds of 240 to 260 units per hour will spread across the affected area, producing swaths of tornado-like damage. Take cover now. Treat these incoming extreme winds as if a tornado was approaching and seek the lowest, most interior part of your shelter. Take action now to protect your life. A civil emergency message has been issued for Capitol Island, Port Shell, Seaweed Island, and Submarine Island. Extreme damage as a result of Hurricane Turtle has been reported. In addition, it has been reported that multiple gas leaks from ruptured gas lines are ongoing. If you smell gas or hear a hissing sound, move away from the area as fast as possible. Stay tuned to media outlets for further information on the cleanup efforts underway. Evacuation immediate for Submarine Island. A gas leak has occurred in a munitions plant. This has resulted in a large explosion at the plant and the resulting fire is rapidly spreading to other parts of the island. Any survivors of Hurricane Turtle still on the island are advised to rush to the nearest evacuation pickup point. If you remain on the island, your safety is not guaranteed. Evacuate now.